Hello students, let us continue with the chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, standard 10 mathematics. We were solving simultaneous linear equations by graphical method. We did 3 graphs in which the number of solutions were either 1, infinite or no solution. Coming to the second method of the solution is algebraic method. So the first method which we did is graphical method. The second method is algebraic method. Now in algebraic method we will be doing 3 methods. That is number 1 substitution method, which you are doing till now. I mean from the junior classes we are doing this substitution method. Number 2 elimination method, and number 3 cross multiplication method. So we will be doing all 3 separately in detail. Continuing with the method of solution of pair of linear equations with two variables by algebraic method, let us come to first method, that is the substitution method. Now I have written the steps of substitution method, but children, I am going through it, I am explaining it, but even then it will be more clear with the help of an example. So the method of substitution is, suppose a system of linear equation in x and y is given, then express y in terms of x, y in terms of x, or x in terms of y. Now substitute this value of y, I am reading for 1 only. Substitute this value of y in the other equation which we have taken out from first one. Now this will give a linear equation in x. Solve it. We will be getting the value of x. Now substitute this value of x in the relation taken out in step 1 to obtain a linear equation in y. Now solve this linear equation in y to get the value of y. I have given slash, so in place of y you will be reading as x if you want the other one. So let us understand the substitution method more clearly with the help of an example. So let us understand the substitution method with the help of a sum. The sum which I have taken is solve 2x minus 3y equals to 13 and 7x minus 2y equals to 20. Let us start the solution. Given SL is simultaneous linear equations are 2x minus 3y equals to 13 and 7x minus 2y equals to 20. Make it equation 1, equation 2. Now 1 implies 3y equals to 2x minus 13. This was negative, made positive. This will go that side, will become negative, so made positive. This was positive, so made negative. Now this implies y equals to 2x minus 13 by 3. Let us make it equation number 3. Now putting or substituting, because it is substitution method, better write substituting. Substituting the value of y from 3 in 2, we have 7x minus 2, 2x minus of 13 by 3 equals to 20. This equals to 7 3s are 21x minus of 4x plus of 26 equals to 60. This implies 17x equals to 60 minus of 26. This implies x equals to 34 by 17 equals to 2. Now putting this value of x in equation 1, we can substitute it in equation 1 or equation 2. Now equation 1 was, we have 2x minus of 3y equals to 13 implies 2 into 2 minus 3y equals to 13. This implies 3y equals to 4 minus 13 equals to minus 9. This implies y equals to minus 9 by 3 equals to minus 3. Therefore, answer is x equals to 2, y equals to minus 3. Coming to the second method of algebraic solution, algebraic method of solving linear equations. Let me first write the steps or explain the steps, then actual understanding you will be doing by an example. So the steps are: multiply the given equation by suitable number so as to make the coefficient of one of the unknown variables numerically equal. Now add if the numerically equal coefficients are opposite in sign, or subtract if they are of the same sign. Now solve the resulting equation in one variable to get the value of one unknown, and substitute this value of unknown in any of the given equations to get the value of the other unknown. Now I am sure 90% of you did not understand. Let us understand more nicely with the help of an example. So let us do an example to explain the elimination method. The question which I have taken is solve for x and y. The equations are 2x minus y plus 3 equals to 0 and 3x minus 7y plus 10 equals to 0. Let us start the solution. Given system of linear equations are 2x minus y plus 3 equals to 0 and 3x minus 7y plus 10 equals to 0. Now here let us eliminate x. We can eliminate y also. Now to make the coefficient of x equal in both the equations, here if I multiply by 3 and if I multiply by 2, both the coefficients of x in equation 1 and 2 will be equals to 6. So here we will be doing into 3, and in this equation I will be doing into 2. Implies 6x minus of 3y plus of 9 equals to 0 and 6x minus of 14y plus of 20 equals to 0. Now since the coefficients are same and are of the same sign, we will subtract it. So we will get over here, change the sign, and we will write subtract. So these two will be cancelled, and minus of 3 plus of 14 will be equals to 11y, and 20 minus of 9 is 11 equals to 0. So y equals to 11 by 11 equals to 1. Now this value of y we will substitute in either of the equations 1 and 2 to get the value of the other variable, that is x. So substituting y equals to 1 in equation 1. Try to substitute in the equation which you feel is simple or simpler. So in equation 1 we have 2x minus of 1 plus of 3 equals to 0. This implies 2x. This will give 2, so this will be minus 2. This implies x equals to minus 1. Therefore, x equals to minus 1 and y equals to 1. Answer.